Now we will do next question, which is based on prime factors factorization. Prime factorization is to write a number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so next question is there, and prime factors are of two types. That is one is your factor tree method, another is your repeated division method. So now what we will do, second question is based on make a factor tree for the following numbers. So first is your 18. So in 18, for building a factor tree, we have to break up the number into its factors, continuing the process till we get all the factors as prime numbers. Okay, then 18 we will split it into 2, that is 2 into 9. What it will be? It is your 18. We know that in 18 it comes in 2's table 9 times. We will write here. So which one is here your prime number? We have got one prime number here, so we have circled it. Okay, every number that we will get prime number, that we are going to circle. Okay, so next branches of 9 we will take out the factors of 9. What it will be for 9? That is 3 into 3. So this both numbers are now what? Factors of 9, and these are numbers are your prime numbers. So further there will be no branches for this. Okay, so now we have got the factors of 18. So what are they? So 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. That is, when we will multiply it, 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. 6 into 3, that is equals to 18. Okay, so we have got all the prime factors of 18 by factor tree. Okay, by making this factor tree. So let us see the next question. B number you will do by yourself. The next question is your C number, that is 96. So 96, we will think we knows the table. So we will think 9 and 6, in which table does it come? In 3's table it comes. Okay, it will be easily divisible by 3. So 3, when we will divide, we will see 96 divided by 3, that will be your 32, and 3 is your prime number, so we have circled it. Then next 32 comes in 4's table. Generally we will see the smaller numbers table, yes or no? So that is 4 into 8. So now what happened? 4 is also the composite number, 8 is also composite number. So here we have not got any prime number. So again we will draw the branches for 4 to get the prime numbers. Okay, first we are going to do for the 4, that branches we have drawn, and we will see 4 comes in 2's table. So 2 into 2 we have written here. So 2 into 2 we have written here, and these both are your prime numbers, so we have circled here. Now come to this next question, that is next branch, that is 8 we have got for this 32. So 8 comes in 2's table again. So 2 into 4 we have written here, and 2 is our prime number. Again 4 we have got here left. So 2 again we have drawn the branches, so that is 2 into 2. So now this is our factor tree which we have drawn for the number 96. So what are the factors of 96? So we will see here, that is 1, 2's are there. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's are there. We will write here 5 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And we will see next what is there. 3 is there. Then into 3. Okay. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 30. 16 twos are 32, then 32 into 3, that will be your 96. Okay, so we have got, and also check our answer whether our factor tree is correct or not. Okay.